You've heard of chiropractic care, but do you know the term that makes it unique? It's the adjustment. The word adjustment means to correct or make right. We don't call what we do a treatment because our goal isn't to treat a specific condition. It's about restoring your body's potential. The purpose of the adjustment is to gently remove interference to your nervous system. This interference is what we call a subluxation. By removing it, we restore your nervous system, allowing your body to regenerate and heal from within. Your adjustment is always custom-tailored. We consider your size, age, and current subluxation pattern on every visit. The force is different for a 220-pound bodybuilder than for an infant. Chiropractic is about restoring health and wellness. Let your life force restore you.